Okay, folks, hello and welcome back. This is what BLG is going to have for dinner. Right now, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in a little saucepan. Yeah, hiya. I'm going to put in about the same 2 tablespoons of flour, okay, in a saucepan. So that's what I do. Saucepan. We're going to get these going here real quick. These are going to melt down a bit. It's about like that right there. I can't tell. Does that look dark to you? The controls on this camera drive me nuts. I can't see the buttons. I don't know. It's going to be what it is. Okay, now, what we're making is ham gravy. That's got a nice color to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to whisk. I got a little bit of ham stock I made. I cooked down some fat, ham fat. So we're just going to stir. Make sure it's all whisked really good before we move on. Okay. Then we're going to stir again. Put a little more ham fat. It smells good. Ham gravy. Guess what we're having for supper tonight? Let's just keep going. Okay, so we're going to keep on stirring. This is going to come to a boil, hopefully, or you'll notice if you keep stirring and getting it all going and let it go for a little bit, it will start to thicken and turn into ham gravy. You betcha. When I went in there, a little bit of pepper. Just some pepper and hair like that. It doesn't need salt. Ham. Salty. Okay, folks. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Ooh, that's going to look just about right. I'm shutting the heat off. There we go. We'll call that pretty good. Ham gravy. Perfect. Off it goes. You come with me.
You saw. He likes me.
There you go. Now. What we do, take a mashed taters, smash a little dent, or a big one. Boom. Ham gravy right up on there. A little more. Just like that. Right? There we go. And don't think I'm going to go to dinner with that. No, no. I have to do this. We got us a wheat dinner roll. Sit that right on there, just beautiful like that. There is my dinner for tonight. Yeah, isn't that cool looking? I like it. It's going to be great. You're going to be great because you're going to subscribe. Till the next time, folks, you know what to do. That's right. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Hit that like, subscribe. Share the word. No, pass the word. Share the videos. All that crap. You guys are all I got. Blah, blah, blah. Grow the channel. Etc., etc. See you later. You want to say see you later, LAT Mama?
See you later.
Goodbye. Goodbye. See you when dingo say see you later. There goes a dingo. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around